So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can create your Quotex trading account. So before going to the video, I want to tell you this thing that below the video I have provided a link in the description. So if you sign up from the link, then you will get extra $50 in your account for free. So now you see this, I'm in the sign up page. Now here you see, here you have to first you have to select your country. Now here you have to fill your email. Now create a password of it. Now tick on this thing. Now click on register. Now you see this, your account is created. I will tell you can skip these things. I will skip this. So at first, now from here you can deposit your money. So it's like the minimum deposit is $10, and if you deposit $100, then you will get some additional benefit. Like now you have registered through my link. Then from my link, if you deposit $100, then you will get additional $100 for free. And if you do minimum deposit of $10, then there may be cases like you will get $30 or $40 or $50. So I recommend you to top up with $100 so that you will get the another $100 for free. Now from here you can deposit it. Now there are many cryptocurrency options are available. From cryptocurrency you can pay it, or from wallet, or if you are from India then UPI will work for you, or you can select any local payment gateway of your country. So you see this. So this is the whole process. It's very easy to register. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.